Hey guys, we're back and live at 9:33, running a two-winner mini. It's hard to say. For Mark's Luke Skywalker. I'm going to copy the list and take it over to random to find our winner. 15 spots, top 2 win spots in the main. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 7, which means we're good to go. Good luck. Andrew in the top spot for our first round. Bill 2. Steve 3, Steve 4, Mark 5, Mark 6, and our winners are Andrew and Mark. Congrats, fellas. You win spots in the main. LWDPRD, Andrew and Mark, are the winners. Excuse me, please. We have reached the conclusion, and I am done at 9:34. As seen here. 9:34. Again, here's the victors. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thank you.